Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare potato dextrose broth. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 200 grams of fresh potatoes and 20 grams of dextrose, which is a simple sugar. For the liquid base, 1 liter of distilled water is essential. Make sure you have standard laboratory equipment, including beakers, a hot plate for heating, and an autoclave for sterilization. Don't forget a reliable filter, like cheesecloth, and a pH meter for precise adjustments. Next, we'll create the potato infusion, which provides vital nutrients. Begin by thoroughly washing and peeling your 200 grams of potatoes. Then, dice them into small, uniform pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Place these diced potatoes into a beaker with 500 milliliters of distilled water and boil them gently for about 60 minutes. Finally, strain the cooked potatoes through a clean cheesecloth, collecting the nutrient-rich liquid, which is our potato infusion. Now, let's combine our main components. To the potato infusion, add 20 grams of dextrose. This sugar serves as a crucial energy source for microbial growth. Carefully add distilled water until the total volume of your broth reaches exactly 1 liter. Stir the solution thoroughly to ensure the dextrose fully dissolves. Then, use a pH meter to check the acidity. The ideal range is typically around 5.1 to 5.6 for optimal results. The final, critical step is sterilization to eliminate any unwanted microorganisms. Carefully pour your prepared potato dextrose broth into autoclavable bottles or flasks. Remember to loosely cap these containers. This allows steam to penetrate and sterilize effectively. Place them in an autoclave and sterilize at 121 degrees Celsius, under 15 pounds per square inch of pressure, for a duration of 15 minutes. Once complete, allow the broth to cool before storing it in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.